I think it's a bit of a crochet blanky day on the sofa. My poor neighbour's flag. It's been absolutely mullered. So yes, we have the neck device out again. I did a video on it a while ago. It's so handy. Basically what I'm working on down here is a baby blanket. I've made a cardigan that's pink. And now I'm working on this one, which is a blanket. That kind of like matches. So I've got two little things going off together, much like my green set. Because I've done like a lemon and lime combo, which I do believe I have showed in a video, where I've made a cardigan and a baby blanket. So I want to make both. So I'm basically doing the same again, but in a different colour. So this is how far we are. It's good, isn't it? I do want to try and do, because like obviously like the centre is like, it's almost like an ombre kind of like thing. I do want to try and do some ombre blankets at some point. Just an idea, but I think they'd look really, really cool. Without further ado, let's get crocheting. Okay, so yeah, that's me pretty much done for the day. As I was working, I was getting a bit of a headache, so I thought, no, we're gonna call it a day there, I think. I'm not done bad though. Done about 4 rows.